Hi, my name's Robert from UBuild Designs. Today's tutorial is going to be on the Alfie WordPress theme regarding the theme options. As you can see, we're still on our demo which we created. I'm going to go to the dashboard. Now you can actually, if I come to the front page again, you can get to your theme options 3 different ways. You can get it from here by going to Customize. You can go to your dashboard and click on Customize your site, or go onto your appearance and click on Customize. It takes you to exactly the same place. So here is your theme options section, and from here you can choose to have a box layout. So if I click that, you'll notice it goes into a box layout. Right. Notice how you can the header sticks to the top. Now if I put do not make header stick, oh, there you go, it now no longer sticks. If I click it again, wait for it to refresh like it has, it then comes back. Now you've got a background image, which basically if I put it onto a box layout, let it refresh. There you go. Takes a while sometimes. Now if I click on an image and then I'll just stick any image in. Let's stick in this image. Let it refresh. It might not do it. I might have to go and show you, because it's a background image. It uses a custom CSS, which basically means it's having to go through another CSS to actually show it. Here you go. As you can see, you've now got a tiled effect on the background for that image I uploaded. Now if I actually refresh this, it will come in. There you go. So you can change this to only go from left to right. So if I now refresh, you'll notice how it goes from left to right. If you've got a decent pattern and you only want it in the top half. Oops. And then you've got it also from top to bottom. So if you only want one section, one image, and then that being completely different, you can do. As you can see from that side's all blank and that side's got an image. You can also not have an image and instead have a colour. For instance, if I go to the layout again, let's say I want a red colour. Sorry, that's theme colours. So if I refresh that, I'll show you what that does. Right, I've chose a red colour. So the red colour will change quite a lot of your theme. For instance, that's gone red. All of your links and main titles have gone red. If I go to a page, this section's gone red. It's gone red. All your tabs have gone red. Basically, it's just making your section red. Red. Again, all your links at the top red. All your things. If we go to the blog, so it's just making your theme to the colours you need. For instance, services have got a red top, red bars, and so on. Now I'll remove that. Don't want a colour for that. And now for the background, let's have that red. So if I now refresh that, that'll go back to its blue, but the background is now red. So quite a decent one. So as you can see, you can customise the actual colours and everything quite easily to match. So the next one is the theme branding. You can upload your logo here and your favicon here. I haven't got one to hand to show you, but all you do is you drag and drop and it should be quite fine. If you want a logo rather than the text, you click on image instead of text. To change, at the moment this is Alfie, you can change it to anything you want. Let's call it Robert. Let it update, and there you go, Robert. So you can change it to anything you want. One thing I will say is it's Open Sans font, so if your logo isn't Open Sans, you might want to use this section, which is your typography section. At the moment this is Open Sans, as you can see. It comes default as Open Sans for your titles and your small titles, etc. Now if I was to put my title colour as red, and 2 seconds, let me just update. If I put my title colours as red, you'll notice that my main titles are now red. Now to change the fonts, I'll just show you Google Fonts. Google Fonts, and I'll show you how to implement it. Let's choose a wacky one. Let's choose this one here. So if we go to here, now where this shows title CSS input, that bit there, go to Google Fonts, get everything from fonts to sheets, fonts to thingy. So just before the first little comment, so we'll put that in. The name of it is obviously going to be that, and then the CSS is this bit here. Just copy and paste the whole of that and put that in there. So when I publish that, it should now have a wacky title. Now for your front page slider, you'll notice that it's got nerve by default. The nerve slider. You can have no slider, and you can have revolution. It won't show anything for the revolution. I haven't got the plugin installed. You'll have to install the plugin, and your first slider needs to be called home, and then do what you want with the slider. I've got nerve on this one because that comes installed, pre-installed. Now for your blog, it's pretty self-explanatory. Column positioning. Do you want the sidebar on the right or the left? Got it on the right. I click on the left, it appears on the left. Now for your contact page, there you go. You notice we've got the map. You can hide the map just by clicking hide, or show by clicking show. To type in your address, for instance, all you do is you type in anything you want. For instance, I'll type in Emirates Football Stadium, London. Give it a second, and there you go. The Emirates Football Stadium in London. Blackpool Tower, Blackpool. Give it a second, let it update, and it will then show Blackpool Tower. There you go. Sorry about my slow connection. Now on this you can hide the contact form, which will then make the whole section where you can put the information, show it. Now if you haven't got an email here, that will automatically hide. What it will do as soon as it updates. There you go. So test@test.com. That will update in a second. I do apologise for the slow connection. So there you go. Now again, contact sidebar positioning, you can have it left or right. At the moment it's on the right. If I click on the left, it goes on the left. Now we're going over to the copyright section. It comes as default as this. You can change this, but it's exactly the same. If I want to put UBL instead of Alfie, it'll come up at the bottom here when it updates as UBL. There you go, it's updated. Now the social icons, at the moment I haven't got any. What you normally have to do is put your URL. For instance, if I go to https://twitter.com/UBL designs, and you'll notice the Twitter comes up here and it's pointing to my address. You've also got Dribble. If you put them all in, it's got to be the full URL, including HTTP. And then as soon as I've done that, they all appear. Now that's the theme options, everything you need to customise your site. Sorry if I've been a little bit quiet, I'm not 100% today. And sorry for the stupidly slow connection. The next tutorial is going to be regarding the shortcodes, and that will be the final tutorial. So I hope you like the theme, and I hope you find it easy to manage. Thank you very much.